Case 4 is a 75-year-old woman with dysarthria and spasticity. Here's some images from a CT. These are images from an MR. On the left, you have a pre-contrast T1. On the right, you have a gradient or susceptibility weighted image. So what is your most likely diagnosis? And what substance is accumulating in the brain in this condition? Calcium, iron, copper, or gadolinium? In this case, we're taking a look at this idiopathic basal ganglia calcification, which is sometimes known as Fahr disease. This is a familial syndrome of abnormal calcium metabolism of the basal ganglia. You can get dystonia, ataxia, movement disorders, and dementia. With some systemic conditions, you can see this. So if it's non-idiopathic, you can be seen with hyperparathyroidism or renal failure. Here we see the imaging findings. You have symmetric calcification of the basal ganglia. So here you see on the CT, it's extremely dense, almost as dense as bone, particularly involving the caudate and the globus pallidus. You see a little bit here, even in the subcortical white matter and periventricular white matter, you have some calcification. It's really too dense to be any of those other substances that we talked about. And then gadolinium is bright on T1, and in this case, we're looking at a dark T1, so it's not that either. So here you see this is calcium that's accumulating here. This other list of conditions, you may also see accumulation of abnormal substances within the brain, so that's something to think about.